Today, with the success of the Dogecoin, all thanks to Elon Musk, we have so many new meme coins coming up every now and then, and it looks like we have another one named after the Doge father himself by the name Elongate. Now, the name is quite funny because Elon Musk mentioned in a tweet that if there's ever a scandal about me, please call it Elongate. So will Elongate disappear soon? What exactly is going to happen with Elongate tokens? Well, today let's find out. Hello, future billionaires! Welcome back to our channel, Crypto Money. The channel where you get crypto inspiration, motivation, and knowledge to become the next future billionaire. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos just like this one, and drop a like for the video if you're excited about the future of cryptocurrencies. With all that done, let's get started. This year, we have witnessed Elon Musk's tweets taken a little too seriously by a lot of people, and we cannot blame them because the man is running a lot of companies at the same time, and he's revolutionizing so many industries at the same time, beating his competition by a considerable margin. When Elon Musk regularly tweeted about Bitcoin, the prices of Bitcoin just went really high. When Elon Musk regularly tweeted about the meme-based token Dogecoin, it actually made it to the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap worldwide. But things don't end there because Elon Musk once tweeted about the possibility of a scandal, and he wants it to be named Elongate. And today, we have the Elongate token. This could probably be the first time in history a cryptocurrency is made due to a tweet. It's crazy how the world is moving right now. So what exactly is Elongate? Well, Elongate is a cryptocurrency token that is based on the Binance Smart Chain. According to the website, Elongate token is a frictionless yield and liquidity generation token, and about 10% of the transaction fee is collected during every transaction, and a percentage of it is awarded to the holders, and the rest of it is being donated to charities worldwide. Yes, you heard it right. This particular token is focusing on helping the people who are not so privileged like many of us. The best part about Elongate is that you just have to hold the coin and do nothing else to earn using these tokens. Out of these 10% transaction fees, about 5% is distributed among the holders, which means that you can actually earn a passive income whenever somebody is making a transaction with Elongate tokens. So, it's as easy as holding on to your investment and watching them grow while you earn a passive income from it. And the other 5% goes towards charity and towards token sustainability. So there is a really good cause with Elongate tokens. You could say that Elongate is a community-founded token by the community for the community, at least according to their white paper. This is probably the first time we have a charity-based cryptocurrency. With a lot more cryptocurrencies like these coming up, we see the true potential of how powerful blockchain technology can be. Earlier, we mentioned Elongate is based on the Binance Smart Chain, and the token is a BEP20 based token. The token has a total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens. Elongate's initial token liquidity pool has been logged under DXSale's DeFi launch certified liquidity locker, and this ensures safety and security for the community as well. For those of you who don't know, the Binance Smart Chain is a blockchain network that runs parallel to the existing Binance chain. But the difference between the Binance chain and the Binance Smart Chain is in the name itself, because Binance Smart Chain actually has the ability to incorporate smart contracts, and it is also compatible with the Ethereum Virtual Machine, or EVM as you would know it. With the Binance Smart Chain, the blockchain facilitates interoperability with various other blockchains like Ethereum, which is a good thing. Elongate being on the Binance Smart Chain means that the transaction fees are much lower than what you might find with the Ethereum network. Talking about security, the developers behind Elongate added a huge feature for the security of the liquidity pool of Elongate called the Gnosis Safe Multisig platform. Now, for those of you who don't know about the Gnosis Safe Multisig platform, this particular platform is a smart contract wallet that requires a minimum number of people to approve a transaction before it can occur, which is a neat little touch. Now, let's talk about the utility of the token Elongate. Well, it primarily has 3 utilities. According to the white paper, the 3 utilities include earn, burn, and charity. We mentioned how you can earn with Elongate tokens earlier. We also mentioned the 10% transaction fees with all Elongate transactions. From the total 10% of the transaction fees, half of the transaction fees are redistributed among the token holders. So like we mentioned earlier, it's a passive income for those who want to hold on to the token. There's something similar with the SafeMoon coin. Still, the problem with imposing a penalty while selling the token is that more people will be holding onto the token, which means the number of transactions taking place will be very less, and the prices may not increase anytime soon. So investors might be waiting for a price increase that might never happen in the future. So does this mean that Elongate will disappear without ever fulfilling their promise? Well, anything can happen in the world of cryptocurrency, and we are not sure about what exactly will happen with Elongate tokens, but it does not look like a scam at the moment because of the charity aspects of the token. Elongate also wants to provide for charity not just through the transaction fees, but also with the sales of NFTs. We all know that NFTs are now the new way to sell digital assets online with the complete ownership data recorded on the blockchain. According to the white paper, about 80% of all the NFT profits will be going towards charity donations, which is a really good thing. Elongate will also be raising money by hosting video game marathons, tournaments, and other special events. Considering the fact that today esports is gaining a lot of popularity and the entire industry is huge, Elongate does have the potential to make a lot of money by hosting gaming events. The money raised can be used for good causes. So the entire goal of Elongate is to raise funds for charity while also keeping the community engaged in a dynamic way and also attract new people to the community. Elongate, being a Binance Smart Chain-based blockchain, they will be hosting their NFTs on the Binance NFT platform. This means that you will have the ability to purchase NFTs with Binance tokens rather than using Ether tokens. But the problem is that Binance is still processing Elongate's application to sell NFTs on their platform, which means that we'll have to wait and see how it is going to work out for Elongate because the NFT integration will be huge as far as Elongate is concerned. Elongate is a very new cryptocurrency, and there is not much historical information that we can look up to discuss the future of Elongate. But we have so many cryptocurrency projects that are claiming to do one thing or the other differently over the years. In the end, the future of cryptocurrencies will boil down to the efficiency of the community and the developers behind the blockchain, and, most importantly, how the market reacts to a new currency. And these are the factors that determine the future of cryptocurrency. As far as utility is concerned, there is nothing much you can do with the Elongate token today. With every new cryptocurrency today, the only thing we can do is wait and watch to see the progress of the blockchain. Sure, Elongate might not become the next Bitcoin or Ether for that matter, because Bitcoin has been around for more than 10 years now, and we only witnessed Bitcoin reach record high prices after 10 years. Ethereum has got a lot of utility, including smart contract integration, NFT sales, and Ethereum is also hosting a lot of other cryptocurrencies apart from the Ether. So these two tokens have been around for some time. People buy Ethereum for its utility and Bitcoin as a store of value. The reason for you to buy an Elongate token today will be the same reason why you will buy Dogecoin. It will be just a pump and dump scheme as of now, and people will be buying newer altcoins as speculative assets and will not be considering its utility. We will have to wait and see if Elongate will be able to chase its boldest goal of easing the suffering of millions through charitable contributions. Despite its meme origins, the cause behind Elongate to even exist is a positive one, but the future is clearly uncertain at this point in time. A lot of meme currencies come and go, but once the hype surrounding them dies, only a few will stay with us. And a final note, this video is meant to be infotainment content and should only be viewed as such. This video should not be considered financial advice. Any investment that you make with cryptocurrencies must be made at your own risk because the cryptocurrency market is extremely volatile. With that, we have come to an end with our video. What do you think about Elongate? Does it have a bright future that it claims to have? Or is it just another pump and dump coin based on the hype? We would love to hear your thoughts, so do share those with us in the comment section below. Drop a like for the video if you're excited to have decentralized cryptocurrencies. Subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one, and while you're at it, press the bell icon to get notified about our brand new uploads. That's it for today. Catch you all in the next one.